Hello, beautiful friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you this simple but tasty peppered gizzard with fried yam. Oh yes, let's get right into it. I have my nicely cleaned gizzard. I'll add in my natural mixed spice, chicken seasoning, salt. I'll give it a mix, cover it and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes in its own juice. Whilst that is steaming, I have my bell peppers, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, rosemary, aniseed, scallion, and my shallots. You can use any type of onion. Everything goes into the blender. I'll add a cup of oil and then I'll blend to my preferred smoothness. 10 minutes later, I'll check on my gizzard, give it a good mix. I'll cover it again and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes or until it is tender. I'll remove it from flame and then set it on the side. In a pan, I'll add in about a half a cup of oil. You can add more or less, and then I'll begin to fry my gizzard. You can use air fryer to fry your gizzard, or you can even put it in the oven. I fried my gizzard for about 4 to 6 minutes. I don't like it too hard, okay? So fry it to your preferred tenderness. I'll repeat the frying process again, and then I'll remove it out of the pan. Into the same pan, I'll add in my blended vegetables. I'll give it a mix and then I'll cover to prevent splattering. I'll allow it to fry for about 10 minutes, stirring periodically. Whilst that is frying, I'll start to peel and prep my yam. Once my yam was peeled, I cut it in half and then I cut the half in half. You can cut your yam in any shape or size you prefer, but this is how I like cutting my yam. My favorite way is cutting it into long shapes. This is how I want my yam. And then that goes into the water. You can also cut your yam in this diagonal shape, just like so, or you can cut it in any shape or size you prefer. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. I'm all done cutting my yam. I'll rinse it in the water, strain it, and then add clean water. I'll add in half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. The turmeric is optional. I'll give it a quick massage and then set it on the side. It's been about 10 minutes. I'll check on my pepper sauce and then I'll add in curry powder, nutmeg, black pepper, shrimp and chicken seasoning, and then my salt. I'll stir and cover for another 7 minutes and then my pepper sauce is ready. I scooped some of the pepper sauce out because it was way too much for the amount of gizzard that I had. I'll add in my gizzard, give it a mix, and then I'll add in my onion and bell peppers, scallion, and then I'll give it a good mix. Now at this point, you can enjoy your gizzard just the way it is. But I like to leave mine on just for about 5 minutes. I want the vegetables to be just a little tender. Now my peppered gizzard is ready to be served. I'll remove it from flame and set it on the side. Let's heat up some oil and then begin frying the yam. I like my yams to be very hot when I'm enjoying it. Definitely, that is always the last thing I like to do when I'm making any type of protein to enjoy with my yam. My yam is perfectly fried, so I remove it from the oil and begin frying the second batch. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. God bless you all. Yam is perfectly fried. I'll remove it from the oil and then it is time to serve. You can enjoy your yam just as it is with the peppered gizzard, but I have here my red pepper sauce and also my shito or my chili oil sauce served with my gizzard. I made this on a Saturday for myself and the kids and everyone loved it. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I grace your screens next time, please stay blessed and stay safe. Bye guys.